Assalamu alaikum students. Now, today we are going to solve inequality, linear inequality of two variables. When the two variables combine, then how to solve graphically. Again, the first step, as I told you before, the first step is that remove this sign. So remove this sign, 2x plus y, you have to apply the equal sign. Okay? After that, you have to find its two ordered pair. How many? Two ordered pair. Easy way to find out the two ordered pairs. The first, put x is equal to 0, then find the value of y in this equation. Like we are saying that equation number 1. So 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 6. Right? So y is equal to 6. So the ordered pair, what is the value of the ordered pair? So first you have to write the value of x. So the value of the ordered pair will come 0 and 6. One ordered pair we find out. In the same way, we will find out the second ordered pair. The second ordered pair, how to find? Put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0 in equation 1. So 2x plus, in the place of y, but we have to put that 0 is equal to 6. Same. Simplify. 2x is equal to 6. So what is the value of x? Good. The value of x is equal to 3. So what is the value of the ordered pair? Yes? Good. 3 and 0, because always we are putting the first value of the x coordinate, the second value of the y coordinate. After that, we need to draw the point on a graph paper. So 3, 0. Where is the value of 3, 0? That is the positive value, so that's why we have to take it here. 1, 2 and 3. 3, 0 is this value. The second value, where is that? 0 and 6. Where is that? Positive side of the y-axis. Good. That is the 0 and 6. Join the both points with a straight line. So the straight line is the solid or dotted? Yes? Solid. Good. Why? Good, because the sign of equality is given, so that's why the solid line. So we have to draw the solid line first, then after that we will shade the region. So that is the solid line. We draw it here. So after draw the solid line, you have to write the name of this inequality. What is the name of this inequality? Equation sign 2x plus y is equal to 6. It's compulsory to write that, because after that we have to draw the three lines. So we don't know that which is the portion of the which line. So must be right the name of this equation, 2x plus y is equal to 6, in anywhere in this line. So I am writing it here. 2x plus y is equal to 6, this line. Now, after drawing the line, we have to come check the testing point. Testing point, which point we are taking as a testing? Origin. Good. Testing again this equation. So we take the origin. What is the value of origin? 0, 0. So put the value of origin in the place of x and y. So in the place x coordinate put 0, plus y coordinate also put 0, and same sign you will use that which is given, that one. Don't change here, okay? So 0 is less than or equal to, sorry, here 6. Sorry. 6. Tell me about that. Is that true or false? True, good, because 0 is less than 6. If the condition or the testing point is true, so which portion we have to shaded? Testing point portion. So testing point portion is the origin. So it means that which portion we have to shade it? We have to shade it the origin side. So you have to shade it this side completely like that. That is our answer. Because this side, which is this side is equal to 2x plus y less than or equal to 6. So what condition if this side we have to shade it? So what is the change of this statement? That is the false. Then how? So if it is written like that, 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6, then we have to shade it that portion. Why? When the greater, so 0 is greater than 6, that is a false, so we have to shade it on the other side. The same procedure, same line, same point. If given that 2x plus y less than or equal to 6, so we have to solve like that. If given that 2x plus y is equal to greater than 6, then we have to draw the other side of the origin. Hope all of you clear? Again, I repeat the steps. What is the first step? The first step, remove this sign, even greater or less. Okay? Apply the equal sign. After applying the equal sign, what you will do? The next, put x is equal to 0, find the value of y, one ordered pair. Okay? Then, for second order pair, put y is equal to 0, simplify, find the value of x. Then second order pair. Take both points on the graph paper, 3, 0 and 0, 6. Draw a line. The line will be the solid. The reason is that this equality. After that, one side is having origin, other side is having no origin. So testing point, we will use that as a origin, as a testing point. If the condition is true, shaded the origin side. If the condition is false, shaded the other side of the origin. So in such a way, our topic is finished. So in the next lecture, inshallah, I will explain to you how to draw the two inequalities on a single graph paper. Okay, how to draw or how to shade it the two inequality on a single graph paper or single diagram. Okay, take care. Thank you very much.